Did you know the company that revolutionized the automobile industry with mass production started in a tiny workshop over 100 years ago? Today, Ford is one of the biggest car companies in the world, and the story behind it is nothing short of inspiring. Ford Motor Company was founded by Henry Ford on June 16, 1903 in Detroit, Michigan. But what made Ford different? Henry Ford didn't invent the car, he made it affordable for the average person. His idea of the assembly line changed manufacturing forever, reducing the time to build a car from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. The legendary Model T, launched in 1908, became the first car that middle-class families could actually buy. Ford is not just a car brand, it's a symbol of innovation, resilience, and American industrial strength. Fast forward to today, Ford continues to lead in the automotive world with electric vehicles like the Ford Mustang Mach-E and the F-150 Lightning. And at the top of this giant stands Jim Farley, the current CEO of Ford. Jim Farley became CEO in October 2020. He has brought a bold vision for the future, focusing on electric mobility, cutting-edge technology, and making Ford a major player in the EV market. He believes in combining Ford's strong legacy with modern innovation to shape the next generation of automobiles. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Faymotivation for more amazing stories like this. Your support helps us grow and bring you more success stories from around the world.